present perfect or past simple. The past simple works as a past tense. The present perfect works as a present tense. The past simple is for finished actions in the past and not connected with the present. He was employed 10 years ago. The present perfect started in the past and continues in the present. He has been a good worker for 10 years. The past simple tells about specific time. He cooked a big cake yesterday. The present perfect tells about result by present time without specific time. He has cooked a cake. The past simple focuses on specific details or actions as the conversation progresses. Researchers discovered new applications of I in healthcare during their recent studies. The present perfect tells about something that is new or recent, to convey this freshness or relevance to the present moment. Many researchers have explored the impact of artificial intelligence on modern healthcare practices. The past simple tells about things which are not new anymore. Grandpa recollected about his journey to the United Arab Emirates, telling children about things that are no longer new. The present perfect tells about new experience, action that we have done first time in life or have never done before. He has never been in United Arab Emirates. It is the first time he has been in the United Arab Emirates. Subscribe our channel and English courses. Thank you for your attention.
Подписывайтесь на канал, ждем вас на курсах английского.